Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've been doing this a long time, over 5 decades. I worked at IRS many years. I have a whole team of former IRS agents, and I've been on the national news many times. If you want to find out about me, go to my website at 777irs.com. You know, as a former revenue officer at IRS, and I used to be a door beater. Revenue officers were there to enforce the law. I used to close many businesses down at IRS. I don't know, maybe over 100 while I was there. So I know everything you need to know about payroll taxes, trust fund liabilities, what IRS is going to do on payroll tax cases. So I want to give it to you short and sweet. I don't like to waste your time. First of all, if you owe back payroll taxes right now, and you owe a bunch of back taxes or back tiers or whatever, 2 things you can do to get in the good graces of IRS right now, right this second. Make sure all your tax returns are filed, all of them, corporate 940s, 941s, 1040s, and make sure that you're at least making current deposits as of the day I'm talking. That is, make your 941 tax deposit. IRS wants to know when they knock on the door, or nowadays when you come in, that all your returns are filed and at least you're starting to make a current payment. So right now, for instance, like we're in the month of February, make sure you make your February payment, your January payment. Make sure that you're showing IRS that in fact that you want to do well. And this way, what you're doing, you're drawing a line in the sand. This is what they teach you at IRS. You stay current moving forward and you work on the back tax debt. That's how that works. Now, if you can go ahead and start paying or making some payments on the back taxes. Let's say you want to start making a $300 payment. Start showing IRS you can make a $300 payment and pay that into the IRS portal if you can. Remember, when IRS is coming out, they want to make sure you're staying in business. If you can't file your 941s and you can't stay current as a former IRS agent, I tell you it's time to close the doors. And sometimes that may be the thing to do. I know every trick, everything you need to do. If you owe back payroll taxes, you want to stay in business, or you need to go out of business and you want to know what to do and need representation, call me. I cannot tell you. I've worked thousands of business cases. Thank you. Give me a subscription. If you call me, send me an email. I'll answer any question you have. When you call our office, you speak to me. Thank you so very much. I appreciate the subscription.